So, good morning students. So today we would like to discuss about the last of your partition function chapter, that is electronic partition function. Okay, so let's start. So though it is not possible in principle to solve the Schrodinger equation for electronic states and energies of a molecules, so it is more convenient to obtain this information from the spectroscopic data. So let's discuss about this thing. How? Because there is no such equation till date we have discussed that we can calculate the electronic energy just like your translation energy. Translation energy can be calculated from your particle in a box type problems, and rotational energy we have already directly calculated from the equation Ej equal to J into J plus 1 into H cut or H cross by 8 pi square I. Okay, or you can also calculate the vibrational energy EV equal to V plus half into H nu, where V is the your vibrational quantum numbers changing from 0 to some infinite number. Okay, but there is no such equation which will calculate directly the electronic energy of a particle, or you can say a molecules. Okay, so we have to take the help of spectroscopic data. For most of the molecules, the excited electronic energy level lies so far above the ground state compared with the KT, because it is a experimental fact that we got from some experimental data that the excited electronic energy levels, just like E0, if I say E0 is your ground electronic energy level, then E1, E2, E3 and the higher levels are lie far above the E0, and it is not even comparable to the thermal energy KT. Okay, that all molecules may consider to lie so far above the ground state compared with KT that all the molecules may be considered to be in the ground state at ordinary temperature, which you can easily guess from this equation. This is the electronic partition function. Achha, in this equation from where I get this equation, there they written Q E electronic. So Q is basically F that we generally use for other partition function equation F terms. So this is basically same. Okay, just to forget about the conventions. This is Q is basically F electronic. So F electronic equal to summation I G electronic into e to the power minus EI by KT. Now you think that if EI is very higher in comparison to KT, then this term EI by KT is very higher. Then we know that e to the power minus EI by X is a very small quantity. That means the molecule E electronic in the higher level is very small. And what is the partition function describes? It describes the distribution of different molecules in the various energy levels. And in this particular case, we are discussing about the electronic energy level. So here electronic energy level is describing in this partition function. That means in the higher electronic energy levels, there are very few molecules or almost no molecules in the excited electronic energy level at ordinary temperature. Thus, contribution to the electronic partition function arising from the excited electronic state may be neglected. So we have to consider only the ground state, and in few exceptional cases we have to take into account the excited electronic energy levels. So the electronic partition function is given by, this is the general formula of partition function. In the previous discussions of the three partition function, we know that Fi in general equal to summation I Gi e to the power minus Ei by KT, where Gi is the degeneracy of your levels and Ei is the respective energies. For translation it becomes translation, for rotation it becomes rotation, and for vibrational case it becomes vibrational energy. Okay, so here the only F term is not used, is Q term is used here. So if I put I equal to 0 to some finite number, this equation becomes G0. Okay, e to the power minus, if I put 0 here, so it becomes E0 plus G1 e to the power minus E1 by KT plus G2 e to the power minus E2 by KT. And as we have already discussed about these things, that as E1, E2 are very higher in comparison to the KT, then the higher terms may be neglected. So only the first term G0, that means the degeneracy of the ground level, is considered. Since the second and third and the subsequent terms are considered negligible, so we can consider only the first terms. Thus, the electronic partition function is simply the degeneracy G0 of the ground electronic state. Now, in Russell-Saunders coupling scheme, that means the LS coupling scheme, or you can say this LJ. So in Russell-Saunders coupling scheme, the degeneracy of an atomic electronic level is given by G0 equal to 2J plus 1. How can you get this? Because suppose take an example of I'm just this, let's say take the example of a D2 type electronic system, that means titanium 2 plus. So 1 2 3 4 5, so 1, and these are the individual value of your orbital. Okay, so the total L equal to summation of Li, that means if I irrespective of the sign, that is 2 plus 1 equal to 3, and total spin angular momentum equal to summation of the individual SI. So we have 2 electron in the same spin direction, that means we have half plus half equal to 1. So the J is the total angular momentum, means is the sum of the total orbital angular momentum plus sum of the total spin angular momentum. So the total angular momentum, it gives you 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and the degeneracy of this particular J value is known as we can say, if we say Gj equal to 2J plus 1s, that means we can get total of 2 into 4 plus 1 equal to 9. And keep in mind that this J is not equal to the rotational quantum number, it's the total angular momentum, it's the sum of the L and S. Okay, this is called Russell-Saunders coupling. But how can you know that for a particular values of J you will get 2J plus 1 different values? Because just keep in mind that for a particular values of J, the value of the magnetic angular momentum changes from the value of plus J to minus J, including 0. So from this you will get this concept. Okay, so in Russell-Saunders coupling, the coupling scheme, the degeneracy of the atomic electronic energy level is given by G0 equal to 2J plus 1, where J is the total angular momentum quantum number. Now the term 2S plus 1 Lj, that means this is the Russell-Saunders coupling terms, is a shorthand notation for all the angular momentum of the atoms, that means the spin angular momentum S and the orbital angular momentum L, capital L, and the total angular momentum J is basically S, coming from that I have already discussed summation Si, and L is basically summation of Li, and J equal to L plus S, where Si and Li are the respective spin and the orbital angular momentum of the individual electron in the atom. Okay, the ground electronic state of which atom? Free atoms. The free atom means which are not in the bonded condition. The ground electronic state of the free atoms are generally degenerate, means they are containing the same energy in the ground state. Okay, so for hydrogen atom we know the electronic configuration is 1s1 and containing 1 electron in the 1s orbital, so its spin is plus half, and L equal to 0 for s orbital, so that the J equal to summation of L plus S equal to 0 plus half, that means half. So G0 equal to 2J plus 1 equal to 2J plus 1 equal to what we will get, 2 into half plus 1 means 2. That means the value of G0 equal to 2, and both these state have the same energy. For helium atom, which the electronic configuration is 1s2, you will get S equal to plus half and minus half, because when both the electrons are present in the same orbital, they are in the spin pairing condition, that means one is plus half and definitely other one is the minus half. So plus half minus half becomes 0, and for s orbital, 1s orbital, we know that L equal to 0, so that J equal to 0, 0 plus 0, and hence G0 equal to 1 as J equal to 0. Thus for a hydrogen atom, the partition function q electronic equal to 2, and for helium atom q electronic equal to 1. The ground's electronic state of most molecules and the stable ions are invariably non-degenerate. Ground electronic state of most molecules means up to that we are discussing about the atomic case, and when we discussed about the molecular case, it's for most of the molecules it's found to be G0 equal to 1, means it's non-degenerate or singly degenerate. Hence q electronic equal to 1. A very important exception is the oxygen molecules, because we know that the electronic configuration of oxygen molecules, the last two electrons occupy the pi star orbitals, pi star 2px and pi star 2py orbitals. Okay, having triply degenerate, because if both the electrons are present in the different orbitals, then their total spin sum equal to 1, half plus half, so 2s plus 1 becomes triplet. Okay, so that's why you will get if 2s plus 1 becomes triplet, and for pi orbitals you will get the s equal to 0, so j equal to you will get sorry, for j equal to you will get l plus s, means you will get definitely 3. So in that case q electronic equal to 3. For NO molecules, NO means nitric oxide molecules, G0 equal to 2, and so that q electronic equal to 2, because it directly it's the same. If you get G0 equal to 2, that means definitely your electronic partition function is also equal to 2. For atoms like chlorine and molecules like NO and O2, the difference between the ground state energy level and the fast excited state energy levels is small. That means for these particular cases, means chlorine and molecules like NO and CO2, the difference between the ground level and the excited levels are not so far. So even at the normal temperature or normal condition, the excited levels are also populated. So because of this, when you calculate the partition function for this type of molecules or atoms, you have to keep in mind you have to means add your contribution from the excited level also. So for atoms like chlorine and molecules like NO and CO2, the difference between the ground state energy levels and the fast excited state energy level is small. So hence the contribution of the excited state must be taken into account in calculating the electronic partition function. Okay, so this is this is not very typical but not very difficult also. So I think you can understand this thing. Okay.